Good morning, students. Let us learn about systems of poultry farming. In India, there are a number of poultry systems to give protection to the young birds. Mainly, there are four systems in poultry farming. They are free range system, semi-intensive system, folding unit system, intensive system. Under intensive system, again there are two kinds, litter management or deep litter system. Second one is cage system. Now coming to the first one, free range system. It is one of the oldest methods of poultry farming. In this system, poor farmers keep small number of poultry birds. This method is adopted where sufficient land is available. Rearing of desi fowls is profitable in this method. During daytime, the fowls get natural food from the surroundings and at night time they take shelter in a house. Now coming to the advantages, elaborate housing is not required. The feed cost is minimum because fowls get natural food from surroundings. Maintenance cost is very less. Disadvantages, predators like cats, dogs, etc. cause loss of fowls. Infectious diseases may spread easily. Fowls lay eggs here and there, so egg loss may occur. This picture shows the fowls are freely moving in the availability of land. Second one, semi-intensive system. This system is adopted where availability of space is limited. This area is surrounded by wire mesh. Inside the fencing is a small poultry house. In this system, each fowl need 3 square feet area in house and 150 to 200 square feet run area. During daytime, fowls spend the time in the open space and take shelter in the house at night. Advantages, the fowls get protection from the predators. Disadvantages, the fowls may be attacked by diseases due to poor sanitary conditions. The area get infested with excreta or bird droppings. Here is the picture. The poultry house is available for the birds. Third one, folding unit system. It is a new system of poultry farming in recent days. It is somewhat advantageous method than the above two. In this system, each fowl is provided with 1 square feet in the house and 3 square feet in the run, 20 square feet long and 5 feet wide folding house is suitable for rearing 25 birds. The folding unit is provided with wire mesh on sides and top. Advantages, there is no fear of predators, spreading of diseases is minimized. Disadvantages, feeding, watering, egg collection takes more time, cost of labor is high. So this is the system. Here about 20 to 25 birds can be reared. Intensive system. This system is usually adopted where land is limited and expensive. The fowls are completely confined to the poultry house. Under this, the first one is deep litter system. Rearing of fowls on the ground covered by litter is called deep litter system or loose housing system. It is the scientific and successful system of poultry farming all over the world. Each bird need 2.5 to 4 square feet area in the house. The floor of the shed is to be covered by dry rice husk, sawdust or dry leaves. This layer of rice husk or some other materials is called litter. The litter must be dry, free from molds, etc. Precautions to be observed. Each fowl should be provided 2.5 to 4 square feet area. The floor and litter must be dry. The floor must be at a high level from the ground. Feed tubs, water tubs, etc. are placed at convenient places. The shed must be well ventilated. Additional supply of vitamin A and D is required. Now coming to the litter management. Before placing the litter, floor must be disinfected by proper chemicals like phenol, Lysol, bleaching powder, lime, etc. Depth of litter will be 15 centimeters in summer and 20 centimeters in winter months. Wet litter must be replaced by dry litter. Litter must be periodically mixed with lime. Litter must be changed after rainy season. Advantages of deep litter system. Fowls get maximum safety. Infections become minimum. There is no need of regular cleaning. After completion of batch, litter becomes valuable fertilizer. Litter maintains constant temperature. Disadvantages. Litter release ammonia from the excreta of fowls when it becomes wet. Due to litter accumulation, dust may occur which interfere respiration of birds. So this is the deep litter system. On the floor, litter is there in the form of rice husk, and also the birds are provided with the feeders and waterers at convenient places. Here also another picture with the different kinds of feeders. Next one, cage system. It is the most modern system came into existence in recent years. In this system, birds are confined to cages. The cages are made by galvanized wire mesh with a slope from back to front so that the laid egg roll out from the cage into the receiving gutter. The usual size of a cage is 14 into 16 into 17 inches. The feeder and water channel remain outside of the cage. For commercial egg production, 3 or 4 tier cages are adopted. Advantages. It is possible to take individual care for each and every fowl. There is no wastage of feed. Sick birds can be easily separated. It requires less space. Chicks involved in cannibalism. Cannibalism means pecking of fowls among themselves. It may be easily identified. Culling is very easy. Culling means isolation of unproductive fowls. Less labor is involved. Collection of eggs is very easy. Mortality rate is less. So this is the cage system. On the first floor, the cages can be placed, and the ground floor is for the collection of bird droppings. So this is also cage system with 3 to 4 tiers to accommodate more number of birds conveniently. Thank you so much.